Good, everybody. Welcome back. This is Michael Leveris from JurisQ, and we bring back an attorney who was long absent, but it's not his fault. We'll explain why. Matthew Sullivan from the law office of Gregory, Spektor Associates, a personal injury firm. Matthew, welcome back. I'm excusing you've been absent for such a long while because you were so swamped with trial work, depositions. Now the court is back in session, right, Matthew? Things are moving along after the pandemic, and that's what I want to hit today in this session.
Thank you. It's great. It's certainly great to be back, and everything you said is 100% correct. In particular, with the trial calendar moving along and allowing us to really exert the most pressure possible on the defendants, on those insurance companies, on those construction companies, because the last thing they want is to see our office heading to trial in front of a jury seeking the most money for our clients.
Yeah, because you were telling me, Matthew, that for a while everything was on Zoom or the cases were postponed. So for 2 years, victims of accidents could not get their proper justice. But now, what is the mindset of the judges to move things along? Can you just talk about that?
Absolutely. We know that the defense and insurance companies make money by holding on to their money. And while COVID was here and negatively affecting the courts, really shuttering the courts for our clients, the defendants loved it. The insurance companies held on to money. But now the judges are opening the doors to the courts, opening the doors to justice, and saying, we've waited long enough. These injured people have waited long enough. We are going to let their cases proceed to trial. No adjournments, absent some kind of, really life-altering emergency. And even then, I've seen the judges say, you have other lawyers at your firm. You need to be ready. What this means is it allows Gregory, Spektor and Associates, and it allows me, which is where I've been for the last couple of weeks, getting in front of the judge, getting in front of the jury, and making the most of our case, because I think of it like a conveyor belt. The defense wants to stop the conveyor belt before it reaches the jury, before 8 members of our community, 6 jurors and 2 alternates, can evaluate the negligence of these defendants, evaluate the negligence of these construction companies, and hold them accountable, give our clients justice. And Michael, you know, when I talk about justice, I talk about the most money possible for our clients' injuries.
Matthew, that is certainly good news. And I want people out there to not hesitate. If you were injured at some kind of work site during a construction accident, don't think that it's going to take possibly years. I mean, it could take time, of course, because you want the best possible result. But now the good news is that things are moving along. So Matthew, thank you. You actually are in the trenches fighting, so you actually see firsthand what is going on. So if you have a case or you think you were injured, call the law office of Gregory, Spektor Associates, the phone number and the website. They're both on the bottom of the screen. Matthew, thank you so much. And we're going to bring you back. You have some very interesting recent wins, nice big settlements, success stories, as I call them, that I want you to share with our viewers. Thank you. Until next time.
Really appreciate it.
Thank you.